The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the latest iteration of Prusa Research's award-winning 3D printer series, known for its reliability, precision, and innovative engineering. Housed in a compact yet functional silver-colored frame with dimensions of 19.6 dx 21.6 UH 15.7 H and weighing just 10.9 kilograms, the MK3S Plus is ideal for hobbyists, professionals, educators, and engineers who value plug-and-play reliability and consistent print quality. Fully assembled and ready to print. This model comes fully assembled and tested, equipped with a US power supply and an 8GB SD card. Getting started is easy. Simply plug it in, complete the automatic calibration, and you're ready to begin your first print in minutes. No complicated setup or tweaking required. Smart features for hassle-free printing. The MK3S Plus includes fully automatic mesh bed leveling, ensuring perfect first layers even on slightly uneven surfaces. Its IR filament sensor enables auto-loading and print pausing when the filament runs out, preventing failed prints and wasted materials. These smart features make it a highly dependable machine for both short and long printing tasks. High-quality components. Built with genuine Gates belts, Bondtech dual-drive gears, and the INSI Rambo motherboard, the MK3S Plus guarantees smooth, accurate motion control, enhanced durability, and responsive operation. These components are typically found in high-end industrial machines and are a big reason why the MK3S Plus is considered a 3D printing workhorse. Performance and support. The printer ships with a free sample of Prusa PLA 2UP25G to help users get started right away. Prusa Research backs the MK3S Plus with lifetime technical assistance and 24/7 professional customer service, ensuring you're supported throughout your 3D printing journey.